Wait on fall. I'm gonna start it here. Angel Treasures. I'm I'm gonna put it next to my porcelain doll to hold my phone. And I'm gonna put it on top of my desk because it has two parts, like two the bottom part of the table, the desk, and then the top will have like a shelf. That way you can see the desk when I'm playing with the sand and things. Because when I put the porcelain doll on the green table, you can't see the bottom. I don't know how. I'm gonna box this one first. Take it out. When I finish, I'll leave it in the bag because then it's gonna dry out. Like I said, I think this one I bought in Dollar General before it got renovated, got bigger, so they put it bigger. That was a few years ago. I got this one with dirt and a little truck, tractor. And then I'm gonna unbox this one that I bought in TJ Maxx a few years ago. It was almost the same time I found this one. I found this one with dirt and a car and a little so it says it comes with a sandbag, one roller, one play mat, and one friction monster truck. That's what it is. I thought it was a car. It's a truck. And this one comes with play mat included also. A construction sign. It comes with it. It comes with all this stuff. Squeezy rock inside. It's different rocks. Unboxing this one. Play mat. I'm gonna put this guy to hold placemat, put it far away. I have the fan on. Too hot today. It was gonna be up to 85, I think, today. Tomorrow will be, I think, 80 and rainy, maybe. I hope. That's why I said I'm going long. It's a small tractor. What I'm gonna do, first I'll unbox it, record the video, and then I'll use my tripod. Hopefully this part don't keep spinning. I hope not. I'm gonna put it a certain way. That way I could do it the other way. You can see me playing with the sand. That's what I'm gonna do. I have these two construction signs. And it's gonna be moving. rock, gray. I could have put the lamp, but then it's too much electricity. I don't want no oh, it comes with two rocks. I don't want a blackout. Squeezy rock. Sand. I might have to move the fan away. I don't know who's gonna blow it away. The fan, I dropped it. It's done. It looked like sand. It looked like sand of the beach. Move the stuff, sand. Oh, so I was gonna show our. It's the first video. Look, oh, it's the second video of me paper of me playing with the sand. Or should I? Should I unbox the thing? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do a different video.